Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty lifestyle kind of video, reviews, hauls, try on hauls, skincare, hair, makeup, and tools, and you name it, a little bit of everything. So if you enjoyed this video, I invite you to subscribe and stay join the family, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Thank you for coming back supporting me. I love you guys and appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video we're going to be doing a review on this cute little portable blender from Greecho. So we're going to be making one of my favorites, like daily replacement shake or smoothie. And we're going to be putting this baby to the test. Let's try it. So I'm just going to unbox on camera with you guys a little bit so you guys can see how the box come, how the product come packed, and then after that we're going to be putting to the test. So let's open this beauty here, and I'm super excited. You can find these on Amazon or you can find on the official website. Oh my gosh, and this one, mine was in the color yellow. Super excited, love the color. And they also have all the colors they have in white, orange, and blue if you want to choose another color. And that's how the product come. And in the box the product comes very well secure, come in this little bag, and come with some foam in the bottom and the top holding secure in place. And in the box you're gonna find a little quick start guide so you can see how to use, how to open, and how to clean your portable blender. And you also get this little look like a user manual here, booklet, yeah, that shows you how to dismantle when you're going to wash, going to clean. So we're gonna also clean on camera so you guys can see how it's done. And it comes with the USB plug charger. So that's all what's come in the bag. So here you have a little caution and explain to you how to use. Make sure the product is fully charged before you use, and make sure the power switch is off and the silicone gel thing is plugged in before you cleanse. Alright, so let's just remove this label here, and you have the little mouth here that you just drink your smoothie straight from. So let's hope. And here you have the on and off power button that we're going to be using in a second. And here you have this little silicone cover for the charging entry. So let's just open this and see what it looks like. All right, so here you have a little blade here that's going to make you a smoothie. I'm showing you a couple of different products that they have, which is cool. And please scan the membership to activate exclusive benefit. Oh, cool. And they have like a little code here that you can scan. Alright, so into the cup is 340 ml, which is a good size cup. So I'm just going to rinse this off really quick so we come back for put to the test. Alright, so I went there and washed before we use. So we're going to be making one of my favorite smoothies. So first thing we're gonna put in is gonna be a banana. I have a little table in front of me with everything set up. So alright, now we have a banana in there, so I'm going to add some of oatmeal. It's something that I like to have on my smoothie sometimes. It just extra fiber and make you feel fuller fast, longer. So the next thing, I'm gonna add some of crunch peanut butter. 1 small spoon is enough. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of honey make it some sweet. About 1 spoon of honey should be enough. And now I'm gonna add some almond milk. I have like about almost a cup. Now I'm gonna add the top of the blender. Make sure the drink melt thing is up. It's close in place, so I'm just gonna shake a little bit to take all the ingredients that I had on the bottom there down. And now we're ready for blend. So it looks like all the banana is blend and the oats is all liquefied. Alright, and actually stop blending. So now I'm just gonna shake a little bit. And you can use you don't need to remove the top of the blender for drink if you don't want, or you don't need a cup. You can drink it straight out of the bottle. You just lift the little top here, which is very helpful, or you can use a straw if you want to. So I have like my straw here. Yummy. I love this shake. Delicious. Really love it. Definitely these I like when I go to the gym sometimes. Just put all my stuff in and leave it, and then just blend it when I'm ready for drink, which is great. And also, if you want the smoothie a little bit more filling, you can add a scoop of protein powder, but I don't need for today. So yeah, love it. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to clean, how easy it is to clean. So, and this is how you're going to clean your blender. First, take it apart, and then you use your thumb to remove the cup. Or if your thumb doesn't work, you can use a spoon and just press down. It comes right apart. First, I'm going to do the cup. That's easy, right? And then you just make sure that this little seal is closed in place, so you don't have any other bits in there. And it's all clean, so I'm just gonna let it dry, and that's it. That's how easy it is to actually wash your portable blender. So this is all for this video, and you guys see the Greecho portable blender works amazing, and it's really nice. And this is not only good for you to take to the gym, but if you work, take to the office with you, or if you want to go have a long day, if you want to have a nice meal prepared. And also what this is good too, if it's a cold day like today. So if you want to take with you some creamy soup, you just throw everything in here, blend them out, and you have a nice creamy soup. Alright, so you guys let me know if you guys have any question about the portable blender, and I will answer the best I can. Link for the portable blender where you can find on the official website, or you can find on Amazon. It's going to be in the description of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!